Welcome to Yemizkitchen, where we cook authentic African food, African flavors with all American ingredients. Today I'm doing chicken suya. It's a quick one. I'd already washed my chicken. I'd washed my chicken thighs and chicken leg. So it's like, and I just put no in it and paprika. That's all I want. This is the homemade suya pepper, which I put here. So I'm going to season this. Okay, marinate it. For like 10 or 20 minutes, and put it on the grill in my oven. I'll be doing this in my oven. I'm going to put some of the suya seasoning in this. Then I'll mix suya seasoning and oil, which I'll use to base it in the oven. So I'm going to leave it for a while and come back. I have this is the base, and I put the rack on it. I'm putting it in my oven. I've already oiled the rack. I'm going to put my oven to 450 degree, and I'll turn each every 20 minutes. I'm trying to make chicken suya. So I put it all on the rack. I'm going to take it to the oven right now. But before that, I'm going to do my base, which is actually my suya seasoning, and a little bit of canola oil, which I'm going to mix. And this will be our base. We'll be basing this almost every 20 minutes. Okay, let's go to the oven.